Good morning to all of you. This is Ankit from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and I'm pursuing my BBA from Alan Mishra College of Business Management. I'm very passionate about business and marketing. That's why I opt BBA. Besides my BBA, I've done lots of certification courses and internships, and I also participate in lots of seminars. My fourth internship from Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, where I create awareness about Swachhta. Second internship from Internshala, where I am a college representative in front of many individuals. And third internship from CEA, Confederation Empowerment Initiative. It's basically a non-profit organization where I raise funds for poor tribals, migrants, laborers, and Adivasis with the help of social media and with the help of friends, families, and many of them. And I'm talking about my certification. So my first certification I'm got by Google. I completed my digital marketing from Google. I completed my Google Analytics from Google. I completed my Joe Talking Speaking English course. I completed my entrepreneurship course from Upgrade and Government of India. And I'm talking about my seminars. I'm always keen to learn new skills and knowledge. That's why I learn. That's why I go and enroll it in lots of seminars. I'm also a volunteer of badabusiness.com. My friends is I'm very good communicator. When I'm talking to someone, I feel very good. I want to become a public speaker. And my weaknesses is I'm my weaknesses is I'm too confident. Sometimes I'm too confident. This is my one of my weaknesses, and that's all. I'm going to introduce Allianz Group in front of you. Allianz Group is basically infrastructure and construction company in Hyderabad, situated in 2004, established by two visionary and futuristic brothers, Venkat Challa sir and Hari Challa. Their dream to revolutionize the whole real estate market, and they want to create new India and help to create Make in India project. Basically Specification is the top most innovative and creative project done by Allianz Group. Allianz Group got lots of certification and awards and recognition from different backgrounds, and they got lots of awards and recognition there. But where their way of presentation is very good, and they are doing great and well for our society as well as for our Hyderabad. I'm going to introduce Allianz Bloucher in front of you. Allianz Bloucher. Like you see in this building, its building looks very beautiful. It looks very nice, and there are 14 towers are there. 14 towers and one helipads are there, and its shape is acid. Why people ask me why acid? Because lots of reasons behind it. Because each and every flat got a good atmosphere, good oxygen, and we are only using 20% of space for construction and 80% for open area and greenery and indoors games and clubhouses are there, spas are there, helipads are there, proof apprentices are there, multiplex jogging tracks are there, pistol shooting range are there, and cricket practice nets are there. That's why we are using 20% of space only for construction and 80% uses for many of the things. It looks very beautiful. Like you see in front of this building, you got a natural lake in front of it, and it looks very beautiful, and it's enhanced the look of it. Like you see, and many of things are there. One swimming pools are there, football courts are there, tennis courts are there, and very and well qualified, well looks are very beautiful and very nice in front of you. We are creating a living a new world. Basically, each and everything in we provide each and everything in your Allianz Business Station. Like clubhouse is there, virtual shooting range, and if you want to entertain yourself, each and everything in this building you will got. You don't go outside it. Basically, it's an afternoon view. It looks very beautiful. It looks very attractive because of many reasons. We using French windows. We are using contemporary glasses. These are the contemporary glasses enhance the beauty of this building, because you know that many of people go outside the building, and they first see this building looks very beautiful. The contemporary glasses enhance their beauty. This is very important for us to enhance their beauty. After that, they will come and inside this apartment, and they will purchase it. We are talking about our awards and recognition. We got lots of awards and recognition. First, Cityscape Award Real Estate Award 2009. Best Residential Award, because our way of presentation is very good. Our way of creation is very good. our engineers and architects are always things out of the box. They are not going on a traditional way. We are going on a modern way. In nowadays, it's very important to create the apartment in a very creative way, and using minimum space for construction and maximum space for open area is nowadays is very important. Our second award is IPVC award. Indian Green Business Green Building Council IPVC award, because we are only using 20% of the space for construction, 80% for open area. That's why we got a lot of certification and recognitions. We also got it. Lots of prestigious international property awards 2012 and 2014, because our 2014, because our way of presentation and our engineers and our architects are well qualified, and their way of presentation is very good, and we are only 20% here using. I already told you this. That's why we got in lots of international awards and recognitions. We also got a winner of International Quality Crown Awards, because it looks very nice, and we are never compromise with their quality. Our quality is best quality product using. We are using best quality of product, best quality of service. We never compromise with their quality. That's why we got lots of awards and recognition, because you know that many of the countries, many of the real estate giants go and join this, but we are got it because our way of presentation is different from among different individuals and different among different companies. It's a basically a overview of this company. It's a overview of company. Like you got a lake, you play club houses are there, plaza are there, spas are there, indoors are there, helipads are there. How many of gates are there? Like you, total number of gates are 7. 7 gates are there. So you go any other place and you get it provides basically it's very good. Leave in a very good way. Works are there, the shops are there, planes are there. Yes, and it's a specifications, location map. Basically, location map is a communication. Main thing is communication is good or not. Yes, communication is too good. If you go outside any other places, like you go airport, you go railway station, you go bus stand, and any other place, it's a way of communication is very good. Airport is afar from 20 minutes, and you go out bus stand to 15 to 20 minutes, and you go railway station 10 minutes, and you go malls, and you go shopping malls, and you go any work area and IT company. Maximum times it takes 10 to 15 minutes. Inspiration is often a function of locality in the heart of New Hyderabad. Alliance's specification is basically a heart of the Hyderabad. It's a heart of Hyderabad, and its way of communication is very good. You go any other places like shopping malls, restaurants, offices, schools, colleges, any go outside any spaces, and you will reach on 10 to 15, maximum 20 minutes. Smart life and a smart home. Basically it's very important, because we are living a smart life where our lives will be fully changed. It's our responsibility. Our home will be fully changed, because we are not in traditional era. We are going to in a modern era. So this is very important to live in a standard life with the help of technology, because it depend on us what type of room temperature we want in our room, what type of room color do we want, what type of lighting we want. So it depends only to me what type of temperature I want to prefer in my room, in my bedroom, in my guest room, and depend on me what basically. Like you see in this picture, it's an evening view. It looks very beautiful. It's a lightning slow. It's so attractive and eye catching. Why? Because in front of this building, you also have a great lakes. It enhance the beauty of this apartment basically, and greenery and plantation is very beautiful. You enjoyed your life and you enjoyed your evening with your loved ones and with your friends and with your family members, and it enhance the beauty of it. The urban paradise, where the fourth ray of the morning, and you wake up and the fourth ray on your in the sky, and you raise, you enhance your day. It's a basically a structure of this room. It's a basically a structure of your hall. It looks very beautiful. It's a contemporary classes, enhance the beauty of it. It's a look way of presentation is very good. and you got each and everything where you see in this picture. Apartment interiors, where our interior designers are very well qualified and very well known. Each and everything new. Living room, what type of living room do you want? What type of abundant glass do you want? What type of French glass do you want? What type of interior? What type of exterior do you want? What type of textures do you want? What type of coloring do you want? What type of texture do you want? What type of roof do you want? What type of ground do you want? Depend on you, and we will full it on particular time. It's a basically a room area. It's a basically enjoying the kitchen, and it's a dining area. It looks very beautiful. Your kitchen is not off the rack off. It's basically it looks very beautiful. It looks very modern. It's a bedroom area. It's a stylish and personable room. That type of room do you want in your dream, and we will full it on a particular time. It's a bathroom area. Bathroom area looks very beautiful. We are using very good fittings. We are using very best quality of product, best quality of each and everything. Where you feel very good. Form best friend functions are there. Sky villas, or we are also providing a sky villas. Do you want like a sky villas? Like you see in this picture, the sky villa is looking very beautiful. I give you another give you. It's a sky villa. Wow, it's enhance the beauty of your flat. If you want your personal swimming pool in your flat, we are also providing it on a particular time. Basically, three design are very famous in our nowadays. First is contemporary, second is natural, and third is bespokes are there. So depend on you what type of design you prefer in your apartment. Many of different interior packages are there. Depend on you what type of interior package do you want. What type of different interior looks do you want. Each and everything we fulfill it. Depend on you what type of interior design do you want, and we will full it on a particular time. Contemporary design, basically you got each and everything black and white, like black and like your each and everything like you see in this picture, black and white. It's a basically a hall area. Sofa is black and carpet is black, but all the roofs are white and flooring is white. So depend on you. It's a basically a black and white combination, and it looks very good. Living room, it's very good. Depend you what type of texture do you want, what type of rack do you want, what type of fittings do you want, and it's also each and everything you get in a black and white. Kitchen areas looks very good. They're using each and everything is very quality, premium quality product. We never compromise with their quality. Bedroom looks very beautiful. Bedroom enhance your beauty, enhance the beauty of it. Because many of the individuals want contemporary looks in their flat. So we also fulfill it. It's our responsibility to fulfill on particular time. Painted sky villas are there. Depending on if you want painted sky villas, we also fulfill it on time. Natural options are also there. Basically, with natural option, each and everything you see in a natural colors. Like we are using only natural colors, like white, yellow, green. These type of colors are very natural colors, and we are using on to creating your flat. Like you see in this picture, it looks very beautiful. It's look enhancing the beauty, because it depends on person to person. Every person is unique, and every person taste and preferences are different. That's why we are preferring these types of looks in our flats and apartments. It's a living room. It looks very beautiful. It's enhance our beauty. Like it's a hall area. It looks very beautiful. It's enhancing. It's a kitchen area, like you see the stairs are there. It's a beauty of kitchens are there, exterior kitchens, and it looks very good. It's a bedrooms are there. Bedroom area is very good. It's a bathtub is here. Commode is there. Commode is there. Glasses are very with best quality of glasses we are using, not compromise with their quality of product. Bathroom areas are looking very good. We are talking about bespoke. Third bespoke is also very good. In bespoke, we generally you see each and everything in white and brown. Okay, white and brown colors are very attractive colors. It's a combination is very good. Like you see in this picture, if you got each and every room, like you in your hall, your roof is brown and each and everything is white. Because it's depend on person to person, customer, what type of preferred he want, living room they want, what type of living room they want, what type of bedroom they want, what type of kitchen area they want, what type of texture they want, and depend on person to person what type of they prefer in their rooms. It's a bathroom. Bathroom is very good. It's a washroom. It looks very beautiful, and people prefer that type of room. Because we are using Italian marbles and different marbles. Marbles are premium quality marbles. The sky villa is looking very beautiful. It's an evening view. It's an evening view. This looks very nice. The lighting is very good. It attracts a lot of attention to those who are going outside of this apartment. It attracts the attention of it. A truly extraordinary living, because it's our responsibility to provide a new type of environment, type of environment which is each and everything is related with the technology. It's nowadays it's very important. Experience is the intelligence of invisible technology. We are using different technology to enhances the beauty of this apartment. We using basically touch screen pad. Touch screen pads are very famous, and video 24 into 7 surveillance security are there. Powered backups are there. Water providing 100% are there. And though we are not thinking about that each and every, it's our responsibility to provide each and everything on time. Interfaces are there. Climate depend on you. What type of climate do you prefer in your room? What type of climate do you prefer in your bedroom, washroom, halls depend on you, and we will follow it on a particular time. Each and everything related with technology, like a security, home motion sensors are there, components and made the kids modes are there. So different things are there. Different things are there. It's basically a fixtures and fittings are there. Basically, it looks very good, and it enhances the beauty of the bathroom and washrooms. We are also providing a flat enhancement options in our apartment, because many of individuals, their family going to big, and they have no option to live in this flat or apartment. They have go outside and purchase another flat, because it's our alliance group state alliance expectation. We will also provide a flat enhancement option where you enhance your flat. Depend on you what type of flat do you prefer, what type of option. Different options are there. Bigger main doors, if you want to improve your main doors, we will fulfill it. Glass railings and balconies are there, and different things. Different things are there. Different things are there. Flat enhancement with it, it looks very beautiful. If you want to improve your each and everything, improve your, and if we will improve. Like many of the individuals ask you why green buildings, because it's consume less energy, less electricity, less other resources. It's only consume what they want to achieve. IGBC green building home projects are there. We have done lots of projects and we got lots of certification. I already told you in front of this. That's a view of it. Are there clubhouses enhance the beauty of this apartment, and many of individuals spend many of their time in clubhouse, because clubhouse is the center where you feel very comfortable, where you enjoy you and entertain yourself. That's why you go clubhouses, and it's very important for any apartments and any big apartment. Meditation centers are there, beauty spas are there, clubhouses are there, libraries are there, spas are there, and many of things are there where you entertain yourself and where you relax yourself basically. Outdoor looks is very good. Where you got cricket nets are there, kids games are there, football courts, basketball courts, table tennis, each and everything where you entertain yourself and go outside this apartment, and you got each and everything. Indoor games are also be there, like table tennis are there, shuffles are there, AC gyms, squash, yoga pools, swimming pools, and many of things are there to entertain yourself, to enhance your day, and enhance your day in this apartment. You feel very comfortable if you enjoy yourself. AC gyms are there, indoor swimming pools are there where you enjoy your sunny day. Like many of individuals are don't want to go outside the building, because sun is very starchy that time. That time you are enjoying your indoor swimming pool. Millions malls are there perfecting the art of who you are. Banks, ATM, multiplexes are there, very entertaining. So shops are there. Many of the big shop departmental stores are there. They entertain yourself, and you want to purchase some stuff, then you go and purchase it. Don't go outside of this apartment. Each and everything are there in your apartment. It looks very beautiful. It's basically a clubhouse and it's an open swimming pool in the first floor. It looks very beautiful. Looks very enhance the beauty of this apartment. Helipad is there. I already told you many of individuals who are belonging from richest background, who are businessmen, politicians, they go outside of the state and outside of the city. They use and prefer helicopter to go outside it. So then that's why we are preferring on the ninth station. Because why ninth station? Maybe because it's a middle of the each and every station. That's why. And each and every station are related with each other. Fire safety measures of Allianz Group is with the first priority to provide each and everything in a first, each and everything on a particular time. Traffic management is also very good. We are maintaining a traffic management. We have never compromised with the quality. The traffic management is very good. Is the overall the structure of this apartment. It looks very beautiful. Landscape concepts are very different because we are creating a very different land master plans of this apartment of there. It's basically a drop off point where you go outside and your cab. It's a basically a structure of this the structure of this app safe. So why I safe? Because I already told you why using the app safe. Because we are only 20% of using for construction and 80% for greenery and open area basically. It's a look. It looks very beautiful. It's the infrastructure of this apartment, how we use and how we utilize these things. Landscape and element. It's very important because landscape grab lots of attention and lots of beauty. Because basically we are providing three types of landscape: lightning, furnitures, and sculpture. Different sort of landscapes are there. It enhance the beauty of their lands. Those lands where 80% we are using for land for greenery, and these things enhancing our beauty of the apartment. Landscape plans are there, different using plans are there. Our architectures are very well qualified. They using different structural advantages are there. We are always ready for any type of disasters happening. Our buildings are always ready to fight with them, and our best quality of structures are there. So then anybody not going to think about that. Absolute vertically through GPS positioning building processes. They were never thinking about networking issues. Each and every time you got a good network connection in your internet, a network connection in your phone and laptops and PCs. We are using latest construction technology because I already told you our constructions are best construction in our country as well as in all over the world. Because we are using that type of construction facility like using in big companies by using. Okay, lift lobbies are there. Lift lobbies look enhance the best quality of lift we are using in our apartment. Corridors looks very beautiful and enhance the beauty of this apartment. Look, we are using French windows because French windows nowadays it enhances the beauty and it looks very beautiful and it looks very attractive. In front of this building, the lake enhance the beauty of it. And it's a natural lake. We are not getting this lake. It is a natural lake. We will try to maintain the lake. Lakes are very beautiful, and many of the fishes are there behind in the lakes, and it looks very beautiful. If in evening you feel you are walking and you are jogging with your loved ones, you feel very good. Many of things are there, like tracking rate, putting beans are there, amphitheaters are there, lakes are there, posting shooting pistols there, cricket practice nets are there, jogging tracks are there, the natural lakes views are there, spas are there, indoor swimming pools, outdoor swimming pools, many of games are there. I already told you it enhances the beauty of the apartment. No, you don't want to go outside of this. with each and everything facility in your apartment. And every tower has own name and has own identity. Like you see in this picture, it enhances the beauty of this apartment. Space station basically. It's one of the top station in our country. We are providing 2 BHK flat, 3 BHK flat. In space station, we are providing 2 BHK, 2 plus 1, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK, and 20 villas are there, and different flats are there. Like you want to purchase 1122 square feet apartment where you got 2 BHK, 2 bedrooms, 1 hall, 1 living room, one balcony, each and every flat, each and every room has got own balconies, own personal washrooms, and different things. You are not thinking about that. It looks very good. It enhances the beauty of this flat. Depend on you what type, how many square feet do you want, how many square feet did you want, did you prefer, and then it's our responsibility to fulfill it. And in future, you want to if you want to improve it, if you want to enhance the apartment or flat, we will give you a right information to enhance how you enhance your flat. Okay. Duplex flat also be there. Many of individuals want a duplex flats, or 2 floating flats, like first floor, second floor. They want that. They will also providing and enhance the beauty. Inner stairs are there, and it looks very beautiful. Basically, if you want a duplex flat, minimum 3,569 square feet you want to in duplex apartment in a space station. Sky villas also be there. More those individuals who want sky villas, we will also provide a sky villa. Sky villas basically enhance your living standards, and you using your sky villa. Like many of individuals using for balcony. Then you keep balcony converted into a swimming pool. Your personal swimming pool. In your, you feel very good. You have a personal swimming pool, and you will enjoy your day with your loved ones. It enhances the beauty of it. Like you this is the basic structure of each and every flat. Depend on you what type of structure do you prefer. It's the basic view of the lake in front of this apartment. It's a lake view in evening. It's a great view. You live like a heaven in front of this building. It's building feel very good. It's a view of this. It's the front view of this lake in front of this building. It looks very beautiful. Different square feet are there. Depend on you support floor you want, first floor, second floor, third floor. Depend on you what type of flooring do you want. And we will provide it. Minimum like you want if you want in flat in third in first floor, the minimum is 6,371 square feet you want to create that type of environment in your apartment. And it's our responsibility to fulfill. It's a basic structure of each and every apartment and all their structure because it's very demanding. It's a city view of your apartment. It's the evening city view. It looks very attractive and eye catching. I already told you live like a heaven. You're in heaven. City view of it. It's a view. It's a great view. It's a clubhouse area in front of this building. It's a very beautiful area. And swimming pools are there. You enjoy your whole day. You don't go outside of your apartment. Each and everything's in your apartment. Multi-level basement car parkings are there. Like you see in this picture, car parking in each and every basements and there. It looks very good and very comfortable to park your car. But to look for your real estate locations are very good. If you want to take loan and clear it. Then we will also help you to provide a loan facility. Security in 24 into 7. Accessibility that the water and air conditioning. You're not never think about that. It's our responsibility to fulfill on particular time. It looks very beautiful. Project and specifications are very good. It's a lift area. It's a lift areas are also very good. Project and specifications are different project and specifications are there. It's the evening view of this apartment in evening. Handovers we are handovers lots to the clients, and clients are very happy with our flats, because we are not promising the wrong way. We are providing a flat or your penthouse on a particular time, and then it's our responsibility to fulfill on a particular time. They are very happy with him, and they are giving their reviews and their feedbacks. Feedbacks are very important because it's their feedback enhance our apartment quality and services. And we are very happy with collaborate with these people, and we are very happy. These are the real pictures of this apartment, and it looks very beautiful. It enhance the beauty of this apartment. It looks very sky villas are there, epic flat pictures are there, and flat duplex pictures are there. So many of the galleries are there, flat pictures, 2-3 BHKs are there. Kitchen areas are looks very beautiful and attractive. Sorry. It looks very attractive and very good. And our international consultants are very well qualified and very well groomed persons are there. Like Stephen Pimble, CEO of Architects, Paul Murray are very well qualified, one of the qualified, and Ravi Prasad, director from India. It's our we got him, and Dennis P. Moyers, MD of Landscapes, and they're well qualified, and they're very well qualified in their field. Besides these other projects we already done, and our customers are very happy with our services. Like many of things like gyms, these apartments and these villas are also done, and they are very happy. It's Allianz Villas are there, Allianz Villas, Allianz apartments are there, and our customers are very with our performance. It's our, and we are construction infrastructures. We have already done lots of infrastructure. We are creating roads. We are creating a metro station. We are creating malls, offices, and many of the things. So it's our responsibility to provide each and everything on a particular time, and we will did it. We will do it, and we will did it. हमने किया, we will do it, did it, and we will do it. It's our responsibility to fulfill your need, wants, and desire. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to introduce newsletter in front of you. Newsletter introduced in 2019, March 2019. That is milestone we achieved. Like you see in this picture, we done lots of activities. Like we are talking about property scenarios, we are talking about price trend, we are talking about review of stations, flat construction updates, stations, happy families, and many of things we are talking about in this. A letter to our faithful customer. He is the managing director of our company, Harichala sir, and they are very happy with our customers' behavior, because our customers are very happy with our apartments and our flats, because we are providing on time, because we already say we are providing a flat or apartment on a particular time, and we are providing it, and they are very happy, and they got lots of appreciation certificates and appreciation from their customer sides, and it's a very good for us. Property scenario in Hyderabad. You know that the Hyderabad is going to the another level in nowadays. Hyderabad is going to the another level. So for those investors who want to invest the money, to enhance the money, they go and invest the money in Hyderabad. Like you see in this picture, the demand day by day, and year on year increase that. Like you see in 2012 and 2018, day by day increase the money. Like minimum going to 38% in these years. Okay, of office demand witnessed 12% in 2018. So it's our responsibility to provide each and everything in a good way, and we will prove it, and we will did it. What does Hyderabad real estate? The real estate scenario is very good in Hyderabad, and we are providing. We are the bestest providing of in our customers and our clients on time. Well planned existing and upcoming infrastructures are there. and presence of equality institutions are there, proactive government policies are there, and availability of skilled talents are there, and many of things are there. Prime friends, if you are investing your money, if you want to enhance your money, please invest in our society in apartment. Of course, your price will be day by day increase it, because it's our responsibility to improve it. And you know that the Hyderabad is going to a biggest metropolitan city in our country. Preview of a station, like a station 6 is already complete, that many of individuals purchase a flat in this, and many of individuals are already settled in this apartment. And the basic structural work of the station has been basically completed, flat finishing ongoing, floor 4 to 10 all flats are done, and also delivered to our existing customers. Flat finishing due to the completion of quarter 2 2019 already completed, and many of individuals are living in this apartment. It's an overview of this apartment. It's an overview of the tower. Every tower has 30 floors, and each and every floor has own beauty, has own quality. Like we are talking about construction updates. Construction updates is ongoing. Construction is not breaking in any every time. Construction is going. Like station 9 is ongoing. Station 5, station 10, station 6, clubhouses are working. They are working modes, and they are doing great. New developments also we hear. Buknawali, Tanda and Kolhapur Radial Road is now complete, and it's delivered to the government, and it's ready to move one place to another place. People are using for communicating. And 120, basically it's a 6 lanes are there in this road. 120 feet radial road connecting space station townships are there, and it's very good for township also, because it's connect to the another cities and other states. It's a view of it, and it looks very beautiful. It's a night view, it's a day view, it's a evening view. It looks very beautiful. It enhances the beauty of this Hyderabad. And connectivity is also very good. I already told you this connectivity is also enhanced beauty. Like you go outside any other places, you go airport, you go railway station, you go your college, you go your schools. It's our responsibility to provide each and everything in a very clear way. Space station township is ongoing, and it's continue doing great work. And many of, like I already told you, many of individuals has got on their flat, and like you see this the puja view, and puja view. Some of the extracurricular activities always happens, like on 15 August, the extracurricular activities done by small kids, and it's a view of homes. It looks very beautiful, and it looks very nice. This is what drives our safety. 1400 plus happy families, and they give us their feedback. Feedback is very important for us, because their feedback is only to enhance our things to in a better way. Like he's very happy with us. Like his comment, excellent project with no compromise. It's in quality. We are not never compromise with their quality. I took 2 flats in the venture. The thanks to the alien doctor, alien Smith and Harichalla to the speed of for the construction work. Because we are continuing working, and we are providing. I already told you we are providing an apartments or flat on a particular time. We got lots of reviews and feedbacks, and their feedbacks are very important for us. And we have highlighted the popular flats update option of shared, like we are using proper wire fittings, best quality of wire using. We are not going in a cheap way. We are providing best quality of product. Corridor drafts are looks very beautiful. Small classes are there, double highlight parkings are there, utility windows are there, and many of the things. We enhance the interior packages are there. Different types of interior package, depend on you what type of interior package do you want to prefer in your washroom, in your bedroom, in your office room, in your balcony, in your bedroom, and depend on you, and we will fulfill it. List of the hardware packages and materials are there. Basically, I already told you contemporary, natural, and bespoke are there. So depend on person to person what type of they have. Like our personality differs from another personality. Just like that, our apartment reflect the personality of our flat. Okay. Many of the brands we collaborate with them to purchase that stuff, and they are very helping in nature. They are providing very good quality of product and services to providing to make this building. Like I already told, contemporary, natural, bespoke. Basically, contemporary defined as simplicity. Simplicity when you feel sophistication and depth of texture, which are sleek phrase and our texture design in natural, in everything will natural, not putting very highlight, not putting very dark blue, very normal. In these books, we are using brown and white. We generally focus on brown, and that's why we are using wooden colors. Wooden colors in very looks very beautiful. Loyalty program, yes, customer loyalty program. Those customers are very loyal, those customers are very happy with us, and they give us reference. It's our responsibility to provide extra benefit to our customers, and we are providing it. We are providing different providing early time payment to the customers who early payment. It's our responsibility to give some rewards. We are giving a loyalty points, and they are loyalty points, they convert into monetize them. Additional payment, so they will give you 200 loyalty points. Purchase investment, there those are invest some money in it. There we will give you 50 points of their referral, many of individuals giving referral. It's our responsibility to give 100 points. 100 points means 1 lakh rupees. Many of things are also with there, like many of rewards are there. Full size UPVC and windows are there. Bigger main doors are there. Performance glasses are there. Emulsion utility, and many of things are there. False ceilings are there. Home automations are there. CLs are there. Interior designing, interior package, RO system. Many of things are there. They want to improve it, and we will provide it. Shopping travels are there. E-commerce gift cards are there. Basically, it's a team of us. And construction teams are of our department, customer relations, sales and marketing, architecture, interior design, and procurement. We are coordinate with them, and we are doing great for our society as well as our company. And our social media platform. And nowadays it's very important because maximum people spend maximum time on internet. So it's our responsibility to fulfill their need and wants and desires. And we will always use to Facebook to marketing. Facebook, we are using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and many of things. And we are using Google Analytics for enhancing the customer reach. It's a gallery of it. The customers are very happy. Our employees are very loyal with us, and our long time is very happy with us because our customers and our employees are first priority of us. We are never compromise with their performance. It's our responsibility to fulfill on time. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, sir, for watching this video.